Order. Everyone, please take your seats. Senators, I'd like to continue the questioning of the Dismayas.
Go ahead, Senator Marcolecta. Mr. Chair, sandali lang po.
Go ahead, Senator Tolpo.
Mr. Corny Dismaya, I would like to ask kung nasaan ang iyong misis na si Miss Shala Dismaya. Ikaw lang ba ang mag-a-attend ngayon ng hearing?
Na?
Your Honor, bali, yung misis ko po, ay nagpadala po siya ng excuse letter po na hindi po siya makakarating dahil sa mga valid reason po.
Mr. Chair, I would like to ask, mayroon bang medical certificate na pinadala si Miss Dismaya tungkol sa heart condition na yan? Kasi baka mamay... andyan na pala siya.
Oh, I'm awfully sorry for being late, Mr. Chair.
Please take your seat, Miss Shala.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor. Oh, on that note, can I please have my lunch? Because I haven't had a bite since this morning. I do hope that you won't mind, and I do hope that you understand.
All right, Miss Shala, we will allow you to eat while we proceed with the questioning.
Oh, ta-ta! Cheers then!
Miss Shala? Nagtataka lang kami, no? Bakit bigla kang merong British accent? Ba't biglaan naman yata yan?
Oh! Actually, I just talked to my sister. She's in London. And we always use a British accent. We converse like this when we talk in English.
Oh, okay. Ang sabi kasi ni Mr. Corny, ikaw daw ay merong heart condition, kaya hindi ka makakapunta. Totoo ba ito o hindi totoo sinasabi ng asawa mo?
I'm awfully sorry. He must have misheard me. I didn't say heart condition. I said my sister was having a heart condition in London because she's having an awful lot of problems with her living condition. I didn't say heart. I said hard. It's not too hard to understand, ain't it?